guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be telling you how to change the background of ZArchiver. So now I'll open my ZArchiver, and as you guys can see, this is the photo. So how I did it, I'll tell you. So first of all, you guys will have to open your ZArchiver and click on the three dots. After clicking on the three dots, you guys will go to settings. In settings, we will go to interface. So we will have to click interface, and over here, as you guys can see, we will go down, and as you guys can see, you will see a option name background. So we will have to it will be like custom, so but you guys will have to put it on system background. After putting on system background, you will just have to go back and remove the app. So when you will after that like I have put in my background this. So as you guys can see, there is a car. So now when I will open, as you guys can see, there is a car photo. If I had something else photo, my archiver photo will be the same photo, that's my background photo. So guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up and see you guys next time. Bye.